With the ever-increasing prices of vehicles, organizations are under pressure to utilize their fleet more efficiently and elongate their useful life. 95% of fleet managers see the need to have a fleet management system to help increase functionality, productivity, and make smart decisions about their fleet. Managing a fleet of vehicles without proper records can deter good decision-making and increased profit. Introducing Concept Nova's FleeTrak Fleet Management Application. FleeTrak FMA is a web-based solution that is easily accessible through the FleeTrak FMA URL. It requires no extra necessities such as server acquisition and maintenance and other deployment costs. It conveniently caters for 5 to 5,000 vehicles on a fleet. FleeTrak FMA spans across acquisition, maintenance, trip management, fueling, and reporting. It provides total transparency, control, and prompt alerts to aid in optimizing your fleet operations. FleeTrak FMA comes with unique industry-winning features that set a standard for fleet management solutions. It is intuitively packed in modules that puts you miles ahead of the competition. Having to manage your fleet is one of the main sources of expenditure in an organization. After acquisition, regular maintenance is required for longevity and productivity. Every organization's financial goal is to spend less, earn more, yet keep operational standards high. Maintenance. Without proper maintenance, increased expenditure is inevitable. A skyrocketing expenditure does not guarantee vehicles performing optimally. FleeTrak helps to record data that ensures cost control on expenditure and identifies potential maintenance issues before they cause a breakdown. FleeTrak gives prompt reminders about maintenance, and this promotes efficient administration of your fleet. This increases a company's competitive advantage. Fuel consumption. Despite all efforts, fuel consumption monitoring still poses challenges to fleet operations. Most organizations exceed their fuel budget because of poor feedback and recording. FleeTrak FMA helps control fuel cost through its fuel consumption module. The application provides trend analysis on fuel consumption for the year. This helps to rightly evaluate the budget against the expenses incurred on fuel. A change in fuel efficiency would be effortlessly noticed as fuel consumption is calculated against mileage. This can help detect any problem such as fuel pump leakage or theft. Document management. In fleet management, documents are very essential, as the lack of them can cause delay in rendering of services. Late knowledge and lack of preparation for document renewals has put organizations up with law enforcement harassment and unwarranted expenses that could have been avoided. FleeTrak FMA has the document management feature that manages all uploaded documents relating to the vehicle and the driver. This gives the organization a timely information about the state of their documents and provides notification about an incoming expense. Vendor management. Replacing vehicle parts can be tedious and demanding, more so when a vendor supplies inferior parts. FleeTrak FMA's vendor management module ensures your vendors are more obliged to be professional in the discharge of their services using proper monitoring, documentation, and analysis. Vehicle parts provided by a vendor can be monitored. With the knowledge of the warranty of that part, the efficiency of the vehicle part can be determined. Information of all your vendors, services provided, and the amount of rework they undertake on a repair they perform are made available at your fingertips. Vehicle request. An increase in the population of workers in an organization doesn't necessarily require an increase in the organization's fleet size. A fleet can be well managed and used adequately with the aid of FleeTrak FMA. It has a vehicle request platform that enables vehicles in a fleet to be requested by any authorized persons in the organization, with a record to weigh out the purpose, distance, and time of the request. This helps in managing the fleet adequately. In addition, Concept Nova's FleeTrak FMA also provides you with trainings on the use of the Fleet Management Application, resourceful client experience team, routinely release of upgraded enhancement and functionality. Make a smart fleet management decision. Contact us today to learn more.